Here's a recording from Osborne Books, MATST Tutorial, Chapter 8. You are the bookkeeper for Luke Graham, a sole trader who runs Trendy Togs, a clothing business. Today's date is the 10th of July 2006. Luke Graham is considering opening a shop as he has asked you to do some analysis for him. He would like you to determine what level of revenue he will need to break even and make a profit. Luke has been given some cost information by a friend who owns a coffee shop, coffee and cake in the same area. He is looking to set up the shop to help him. You've been given a spreadsheet containing the coffee and cake cost data. You'll need to adjust the data in line with Luke's instructions to create the break-even information for Trendy Togs. In the worksheet 8.6, which I've got open on the right-hand side, we need to carry out the following tasks. Insert Trendy Togs in A1. Format it to bold and size 12. Insert break-even, analysis, new shop in A2, bold and size 12. Spell check the information text in 8.6 coffee and cake worksheet and then copy the information in A4 to A12 over to 8.6 break-even analysis worksheet in A5. So here. Spell check. Appreciation. Cool. So I can copy A4 to A12. And paste it in A5. Link the costs from 8.6 worksheet, break-even analysis worksheet, copy and paste to the correct place in B. So here equals, and I'll link it. And instead of doing one by one, I'll replicate down. Increase the staff cost from 1.5 to 2. And amend the formula in B5 and amend the text. So this was for 1.5, so I'm going to go divide by 1.5 and multiply it by 2. Increase electricity and rates by 5%, so multiplied by 1.05, and rates multiplied by 1.05. Okay. Insert 5,000 for depreciation. Increase rent and insurance by 10%. Multiplied by 1.10. Multiplied by 1.10. In B3, enter a pound sign. Calculate the total in B15. So total equals sum open brackets. Add all your costs up. Adjust the columns so everything in A can be seen. Luke has asked you to calculate the break-even revenue and how much he would have to sell to achieve a profit of 50,000. The contribution/sales ratio is 0.5. You are required to complete the table underneath the cost information to show break-even revenue and the revenue needed for profit of £50,000 in the worksheet 8.6. So this one here. Underneath the text, target profit, insert 50,000 in cell C19. Link B21 and C21 to the fixed costs that we just worked out. So B21 equals link. On the line for revenue required, use a formula to calculate the revenue required, assuming the margin of 50%. So we are going to be looking at the formula revenue required. So I'm going to go equals open bracket my fixed cost. I'm going to divide that by 0.5 close bracket. And here I'm going to be adding my two profits, so this plus this, and I'm going to divide that by 0.5. Insert break-even analysis new workshop in A17. So that was break-even analysis new shop. And I want to put that across A17 to C17. So I'm going to go merge and center. And it's supposed to be bold and size 12 because it's saying the same as what I did in A2. Ensure the figures are formatted as currency, 0 decimal places. Luke has now asked you what the revenue would need to be if you wish to earn £75,000 of profit. In the worksheet 8.6 analysis, insert a column between the break-even and target profit columns. So here, oops, I want to insert a new column. Just go C, right click, insert. I'm going to call it target profit. And it's saying complete a new column into the 75,000. So 75, 1, 2, 3, done. So I need to do a new formula. Well, the fix is still going to be fixed. And here, I've already done the formula where I added these two and then divide it by 0.5. So I'm just going to replicate the formula backwards. Luke has decided he would like you to set up a bonus scheme for staff. He will pay a bonus of 1.5% of sales for every pound of sales above the break-even. He would like you to calculate how much bonus will be at revenues of 160,000, 300,000 and 400,000. In the worksheet 8.6, insert bonus into C27. The bonus payment should equal 1.5% of the above break-even revenue amount, which has been calculated in B23. Use an absolute cell referencing for the break-even revenue amount. Where no bonus is payable, the if statement should write no bonus. So I need an if statement. So formula, if. So I'm basically saying if this is more than this, then I want you to go this figure minus this figure, which I want to do first. So I'm going to put a bracket around here. And a bracket here. And then I want to multiply it by 0.015. Otherwise, I want to say no bonus. Now, can't replicate down because I didn't lock anything. So this is the one that I want to lock. So $sign and $sign. And now I can replicate down without having to rewrite the formula again. There we go. Copy and paste the if statement into C29, C30, and C31 to calculate the bonus at revenues of 300,000 and 400,000 respectively. I've just done that. So there you have it. This task is now complete.